everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be starting the new chapter of Standard 8 Maths, chapter number 9, Discount and Commission. So first of all, I will explain you what is discount. Okay, dear students, you are always going to a shop with your parents to buy some articles, right? On the articles, do you see over here I have drawn a bag, and do you see this tag? On tag it is written rupees 800, right? So this school bag is for rupees 800, but there is written something 20% off. So that 25% off, it means 25% you will get off on that 800 rupees. Is it clear? So this is called discount. That 25% off is called discount. Look at the board over here. Discount. The price on the tag is called the mark price. So this rupees 800, this is the price on the tag. So this is your marked price, likhi hui price. Okay, this is marked price. Okay, and now the discount is given on mark price. Okay, see, this is discount given on the mark price. So 25% off is a discount given on the mark price 800. See, discount is given in terms of percentage, that is 25%, for 50% off or 40% off. So this is how, this is mark price and this is discount. Okay, so formula to find the selling price of an article is equals to mark price minus discount. Yani how much written over there and how much discount you got. That will be the selling price of a shopkeeper. Is it clear? Shopkeeper will sell this bag in how much rupees? First of all, you will take out the 25% of that 800. So you will write 800 multiplied 25%. 25% means 25 upon 100. Is it clear? 50% means what? 50 upon 100. So this, see, this 100 ones are 100, 100 8s are 800. So now 25 8s are 8 5s are 25 8s are how much? For 200. Is it clear? So how much rupees discount you will get? Discount, how much rupees you will get? 200. Is it clear? So this bag you will get in how much rupees? 600. Is it clear? Why? Because 25% off. So 800 multiplied by 25%, 25 upon 100. 25% means 25 upon 100. 100 ones are 100, 100 8s are 800. So 8 multiplied by 25, that is 200. So mark price was how much? 800, right? See, selling price is equals to mark price minus discount. Minus discount. So selling price we want to know. Mark price was 800 minus discount you got 200 rupees. So how much the selling price will be? 600. So this is how you have to solve, and you have to find the selling price of an article, mark price minus discount, or if you want to find the discount, so discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. By adjusting this formula only, if you want to find the discount, so discount will come here and selling price will go there. So discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Is it clear? So this is the introduction of the chapter discount and commission, and we have learned what is discount. So dear students, now we will see the practice set 9.1, question number 1. Very simple, very easy and very important. If the marked price is rupees 1700, selling price is rupees 1540, then find the discount. So what is to be find? Discount. So just now I have shown you discount is equals to mark price minus selling price, right? So now we have to see over here what is given in the question. First we will write what is given in the question. So mark price, MP means mark price is rupees 1700. Selling price is given rupees 1540. Okay, we have to find discount. So what is there? Discount is equals to, we know the formula, discount is equals to, which is greater, in दोनों में बड़ा कौन है? Mark price. So you will write mark price minus selling price. MP mark price, SP selling price. Mark price was 1700 and selling price was 1540, 1540. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 4, this is 0 minus 4. So 0 is not possible. So it is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Now this is 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is it clear? So this is how much? 160. So discount is how much rupees? Therefore discount is equals to rupees 160. Is it clear? Very simple and very easy. You have to learn this formula. Discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Clear? Otherwise which is greater? Mark price. So mark price minus selling price. I hope you understood here. Now we will see the question number 2. If mark price is rupees 990, mark price, okay, and the percentage of discount is 10. Percentage of discount is 10, means 10%, okay. Then find the selling price. We have to find the selling price. Very easy. First we will find out discount in rupees, because discount in percentage is given, and discount in percentage we can find out on mark price only. Mark price is given 990. So what you will do, you will find out discount in rupees. That 990 multiply by 10 upon 100, because 10% means what? 10 upon 100. Then you will find out how much rupees discount you will be getting on mark price. Then selling price is very much easy. See what is given in the question. Write it down first. Mark price is equals to rupees 990. Okay. Now discount is equals to 10%. Okay, discount is equals to 10%. And what is to be find? Selling price we have to find. So first of all we will find discount in rupees. Okay, see here, discount in rupees you will find out. So discount we find on which? We can find the discount on mark price. So that is, you will write 990 multiply by, okay, 990 multiply by 10%, means 10 upon 100. 10% means 10 upon 100. 20% means 20 upon 100. 30% means 30 upon 100. Okay. Now see, you can find out 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100, right? See now this 0 and this 0 cancel. So what is left? Only 99. So you will write discount is equals to rupees 99. Is it clear? How much rupees discount you will get? 99. Okay. Now what is to be find? Selling price. Therefore you will write selling price is equals to mark price minus discount in rupees. Okay. So mark price is how much? Mark price is 990 minus discount how much? 99 rupees. So you have to subtract. See, 10 minus 9, 1. This is 8. 8 minus 9 is not possible, so it will carry from here. 18 minus 9, 9. And this is 8. So 891. So selling price rupees. Therefore, selling price is rupees 891. I hope you understood. Mark price is 990, discount 10%. Selling price we have to find. So discount is percentage given. First we will find out the discount in rupees. How? On mark price. See, mark price multiply by discount in percentage. Mark price 990 multiply by 10%. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 0 will get cancelled. 99 rupees will be the discount. So selling price, we know the formula. Selling price is equals to mark price minus discount. So 990 rupees minus 99 rupees will be your discount. So how much rupees? In how much rupees you will get that article, that thing? Rupees 891. I hope you understood. So dear students, now please focus on question number 3. Okay, here I need your complete attention. Please understand. See, if the selling price is rupees 900, selling price, okay, discount 20%, then find the mark price. Then we have to find the marked price. Whenever in question mark price is not given, we have to consider, or we have to assume, suppose the mark price is 100 rupees. Always remember, if in question mark price is not given, we will consider the mark price be 100 rupees. Okay, look at here. I will consider here, let the mark price be rupees 100. Okay, let the mark price be rupees 100. And then how much discount you got? Discount is equals to 20%. But we have to find discount in rupees. So discount we can find in rupees on mark price, right? We can find the discount in rupees on mark price. So we will write discount in rupees. See, discount in rupees, that is mark price. Mark price is how much? 100 multiplied by discount is how much? 20% means 20 upon 100, right? 20% means 20 upon 100. 30% means 30 upon 100. 40% means 40 upon 100. Now see this 100 ones are 100 cancel. So how much rupees the discount will be? The discount will be 20 rupees. Clear? The discount rupees 20. Okay. Now we will find out the mark price over here. Selling price. We will find out the selling price is equals to mark price minus discount. Okay, mark price minus discount. So we know selling price is equals to mark price if 100. We have considered here mark price is 100 and discount in rupees you got 20. So selling price is rupees 80, right? Selling price is rupees 80. So this is 100 is artificial, assume imaginary 100, and this 80 is also imaginary. Now we will consider, let us assume the mark price be X, okay, and the selling price is rupees 900. Let us assume the mark price be X and the selling price is rupees 100. On, you can write over here mark price be 100, on the selling price is rupees 900. Okay. Now what you will find out there, see how to write. Therefore you will write here, see this is selling price. Selling price is how much? 80. 80 rupees is the selling price, of which mark price? 100. 100 rupees was your mark price, but you have sold the article in 80 rupees with 20% discount, right? Now here also, what is the cost? What is your mark price here? Mark price is X and selling price of that article is 900. Again I will explain this. Mark price and this is selling price. Mark price and selling price. So mark price, in beginning you have considered mark price 100 and you have sold that thing in 80 rupees. Likhi hui कीमत 100 was there, but you have sold the thing in 80 rupees. Mark price is X. You have sold, the shopkeeper has sold it in 900. Is it clear? So mark price you have to write down and selling price you have to write up. Clear? Now you will do cross multiplication. Therefore you will write 80x is equals to 900, okay, multiply by 100. 900 multiplied by 100. Now this 80 will go there, right? 80 and x is having multiplication. 80 and x is having multiplication. So 80 will go there and you will write therefore x is equals to 900 multiplied by 100 upon 80. Okay, so this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Clear? So what left over? 9,000. See, this is 900 and this is 10. 9,000 upon 8. So you will divide it. 8 ones are 8. How much remain? 1. 8 ones are 8. How much remain? 2. 8 twos are 16. How much remain? 4. 8 fives are 40. So how much rupees? See, it is 1125 x, and x is what? Mark price is equals to x is equals to 1125. So therefore you will write the mark price. The mark price is, therefore the mark price is rupees 1125. I hope you understood here how to solve. See, whenever mark price is not given, we will consider mark price be 100. 20% discount, 20% discount we will find out in rupees. So mark price multiplied by this percentage, discount in percentage. This is mark price multiplied by discount in percentage. 20% means 20 upon 100. 100 will get cancelled. Discount will come 20 rupees. Okay. Selling price is equals to mark price minus discount. So this is as we have considered 100 mark price, discount 20. So selling price is rupees 80. Let us assume the mark price be X on the selling price is rupees 900. So always write mark price down and selling price up. So this is first we have considered mark price 100. We have sold the thing in 80 rupees. Then we have considered mark price X. We have sold in 900 rupees. Okay, then we will do its cross multiplication. I hope you understood here. So dear students, now we will see the question number 4. It is very easy. So see, the mark price, MP means mark price of the fan is rupees 3000. 3000. Shopkeeper gave 12% discount on it. Okay, the percentage is given, the discount is given in 12%. Find the discount. We have to find the discount. It means we have to find the discount in rupees and the selling price of fan. Then we have to find the selling price. So we know the formula, selling price is equals to mark price minus discount, right, in rupees. So now see here, first of all we will write what is given. Mark price is given 3000, discount is given 12%. We have to find discount in rupees and selling price. So first we will find out discount, right? So we will find discount in rupees. Okay, we will find out discount in rupees. So how to find discount? We find on mark price. So there it is, D for discount, and we have to write 3000 multiplied by 12% means 12 upon 100, right? 15% means 15 upon 100. Okay, so we find discount in rupees on mark price. Always remember, you will take here mark price multiply by discount in percentage. Clear? Now you will cut this 0 0, this 2 0, this 2 0, this 2 0 cut. So what is left over? From here it is left 30 and from here it is left 12, because upon 1 means nothing. So 12 3s are 36 and zeros are 0, means 12 zeros are 0, 12 3s are 36. So discount, you got the discount, therefore yes, you got discount is equals to 360 rupees, 360. This is your first answer, right? Discount is equals to rupees 360. Then what you have to find? Selling price. We know selling price is equals to mark price minus discount in rupees, because these two terms are in rupees, so discount should be in rupees. So selling price is how much we have to find, mark price is how much, 3000 minus 360 rupees discount. So the selling price of a fan will be 0 0 0, 10 minus 6 4. Now here 9 minus 3 6, and this is 2640. Therefore the selling price of the fan is rupees 2640. I hope you understood how to solve. First we will find out discount in rupees on mark price. Is it clear? So this is how you have to solve. Thank you.